do you want? What? I'm not ready yet. Where'd you go? Hey. Come on. Abby, why are you going? Where are you going? What? I'm not ready yet.
Come on, talk.
Come on, Abby. Get up in there. All right, come on. I'm going back inside. What? What? Well, I'm not ready. What do you want? Hey, come here. Abby, come here. You gotta wait a minute. Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not ready to go. Just wait. No, I'm not ready. Are you?
God.
Hey, are you ready?
You ready to go, Abby? You ready to go?
That's part. Hey. Oh! No, well, I'm not coming yet. What? What? No, not yet. You gotta wait. Sit. Don't break your neck. No. No. What? Now she's gonna run over after the truck.
Are you ready?
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
What? Talk to her.
What? Stop, Mama. Go. Go.
What do you want?
What? I wanted you ready to go.
She ain't talking to you, big dog.
What are you doing over in that dirt?
Mama. Go. Go. Come on. Go. Go, sissy. Go.
Don't stop it. I want to get her on the stuff.